How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another Hbar update for you guys. This is going to be a little bit of a quicker one today. We are on a higher time frame, the 5-day. And just before we get into this video update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I really do hope you enjoy these videos and find value. So if you do, leave a comment, leave a like. It really is appreciated. If you could share these updates, that would be great as well. On the 5-day, we can see a retest of this golden pocket, which we were calling ever since this 1414 over here. So this could have been a move that you could have profited on at about a 33% move, totally without leverage, guys. So even if you're spot trading, this is incredible gains. Stock market only brings average 10% per year, and if you can do that in a few weeks in crypto, why would you not be involved in crypto over stocks? Again, this is what's going to help you achieve your financial goals much quicker, and we know Hbar as well to be such a solid project. There's rumors that the digital dollar will be built on Hbar, so that'll be quite interesting. Let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section below. But we're here today to discuss where Hbar is going in the near short term. Over the last few updates, I have mentioned where I was expecting price to fall down to, and we can see that we've retested and confirmed its support very nicely here on the inverse head and shoulders neckline after meeting the target out of this breakout of the inverse head and shoulders. And we can see that where we targeted, where we were calling even before this inverse head and shoulders was appearing, the reason why we called for this target, first off, was because if we're bottoming out the 1618, this being our support over here, reclaiming this next level of support at the 1414, putting in higher lows, and I assume that we are targeting this 1 fib level. Now we got to the 1 fib level, that's all well and great, but we need to understand if we do actually break past this, I'm looking for a retest of that golden pocket, which we saw, but then unfortunately we didn't get a test of this as support, the 1 fib level. But I also mentioned that in this specific scenario, not to worry. Why? Because there was such a key level of support below the 1 fib level, although we should have held the 1 fib level as the 20 EMA was there, and we're breaking through a resistance, which was that 1 fib level over here. So as we're breaking it as resistance, it should then be flipped into support if we are entering the range to get a 40% move from this point up into our range high over here. Only thing standing in the way is the 55 inside of that golden pocket. At the 55 moving average on the 5-day time frame, roughly about 6406. And so if we were to break past all of this, hold the 1 fib level, break past this, we'd have got back to the range high, and from that point over there, I think it's about a 40% move. So still looking forward to that if we can ever reclaim that level. And although we lost the 1 fib level, meaning that that's not going to happen, I did mention that yes, most of the time we are relying on that, the fib level rules, and that if we lose the 1 fib, you're not holding the support of the range lows, so we won't go up there. However, in this case it's a little bit different, just because we have such an important large structure over here on a higher time frame, meaning that it's super duper accurate over here, the inverse head and shoulders, which yes, we met the target out of. After meeting the target, we've essentially returned to its neckline to hold it as support, and hopefully we can get one more opportunity to break past this 1 fib level, because otherwise if we do not now break past the 1 fib level, flip it back into support and break past this point, then essentially this move up into here has just been a bearish retest of key levels of resistance to continue with your downtrend more towards this target over here, as we've lost this M pattern structures neckline or descending triangles neckline, and so that would validate a pattern's target. And I do believe the pattern's target itself is back down at the 1 fib level pretty much. Sorry, not 1 fib level. 1 fib level is if I had my fibs placed here like this, but back down to the low over here. So by losing this structure over here, you validated a pattern down to here, and so without reclaiming these key levels of support, you keep that valid. So that is the scary part. But while we are still holding and maintaining this support, it's going to give us one last opportunity to break past this 1 fib level to completely invalidate any further downside more towards 3.5 cent. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It really just does take 1 second, and it does help the channel grow and get these videos out to like-minded people like yourselves. If you want to help out even more, you can support the channel in other ways by sharing these updates. And if you want to support me as a creator, I do have things in place. Whether you want to join my Discord community, where there's over 90 people in there helping each other out, giving trade ideas, constantly thoughts on the market, my personal investments with over 30 plus cryptos in there, as well as levels to DCA. More information can follow if you just private message me on Twitter. Otherwise, you can get free Discord access for 3 months, totally for free, if you take action on my education. So private message me about that. You will get my course for life, as well as 5 to 10 mentorship sessions on top of that, if that is something you want. Thank you guys again for joining me today. It really is appreciated. I can't believe that so many of you actually watch me daily. And yeah, hopefully we can all be successful in this up and coming bull market. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Again, any further assistance, any questions, just private message me with the links in the description and pinned comment section below. Cheers.